Hey guys, good morning. I'm Jamaica, and this is Pop Up Veneers, the shiny Pop Up Veneers. I want to show you this morning how I put on my veneers every day. Okay, just a little quick video, honey. I'm so happy. Let me tell you, number one, takes me all the way back to my high school days, and I'm almost 50 years old. But I'm gonna give you a close-up look, okay? Here's my close-up look. Then my teeth. Not bad. I turn to the left, turn to the right. Cheese. Kind of dry, huh? But anyway, okay, here we go. That's my teeth. That's my regular smile. Cheese. That's my regular smile. And on the side, I got kind of like gaps. I just wanted to close. And the other side is not bad, but then the front two, they kind of like protrude just a little bit. But cheese. My smile is not that bad, but I just want that perfect smile, and going to the dentist. Yes, it costs so much. Bloop. But anyway, this is my pop-up veneers. They're inside. Comes in a little cap. And in the morning, honey, I just take them bad boys, put them down. I hold it, my left hand, my right hand, and I put them in like this. Good like that. It's very easy, honey. Hold on to the back, and boom.